Okay, so what we are driving here is a third generation Mazda MX-5 Miata NC body. Now, the problem of this car is dinala siya via towing because ayaw mag-start. So, upon checking, hindi talaga siya nag-start kanina. When turning the ignition, wala. No crank, no start, no clicking sound. So, si owner, meron na siya dalang brand new starter. Ready na siya kasi akala niya sira yung starter. And then something's weird kasi normally if sira yung starter mo, dapat at least meron ka pa rin clicking sound or something eh. Or kahit pag pinalo mo yan, dapat aandar. Kahit papano, di ba? So what we did, we checked the fuse box and then I checked for the starter fuse. It turns out, bakante yung starter fuse, someone pulled it off and then hindi binalik. That's why walang powered yung starter and ayaw niya mag-start. So what we did, kinuha ko yung same 20 ampere fuse from the rear defroster and then kinabit ko dun sa bakanteng starter fuse inlet and then boom, nag-start na siya. So kumuha na lang tayo ng bagong fuse para ikabit dun sa defroster na kinuhaan natin para ilagay sa starter. So yun lang. Minsan nakala natin sobrang lala ng problema ng auto, pero it's a simple solution lang pala.